Meaning of dildo.
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 Dildo. A dildo is a type of sex toy used for vaginal or anal penetration, usually made of silicone, rubber, or other materials. It is designed to resemble a penis in shape and texture, but can also come in non-anatomical shapes. Dildos can come in a variety of sizes, colors, and textures, with some featuring additional features such as vibration. They are commonly used for solo masturbation or during sexual activity with a partner. While some may consider them controversial or taboo, they can be a safe and pleasurable way to enhance sexual experiences.